Dear Lord, we are gathered here today to honor the death of Charlie Birdington. He died in the screen while I was painting. This poor boy. My sister came home. Really? Really? Would you like to join the funeral? Would you like to join the funeral?
This is my contribution.
Thanks. Dear Lord.
For the video?
What?
That's so sad for the video.
Sure. Oh, Charlie. Even those who don't know you miss you. With great sadness. Now we must bury him in this heart-shaped hole that was accidentally made. Goodbye. You will be missed.
It's getting really loud.
It is. Thanks. This is just sad. This is sad. At least the hole is heart-shaped.
She was bury him.
My friends told me to. Oh, Charlie, you were a great bird. You watched me paint for the time that you were alive. This is taking forever.